Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by going straight to subscriptions in your Apple ID settings. On an iPhone or iPad, open Settings, tap your name, then Subscriptions. On Mac, open App Store, your name, view information, Subscriptions. Once there, find Apple TV Plus or the channel you want to remove. Make sure you note the renewal date and whether you're in a trial. You need authentication, Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password, so have that ready to confirm changes. Once you've selected the Apple TV Plus subscription, review the plan details and next billing date to verify what you'll lose. Tap Cancel Subscription, then confirm when the prompt appears. This stops auto-renewal but preserves access until the paid period ends. If you don't see Cancel, that indicates you subscribed via a third party. Apple will show which provider. In that case, go to that provider's account settings or contact them directly to cancel. Make sure after canceling, confirm success. The subscription should show an expiration date and no upcoming charge, and you'll receive an email from Apple. If cancel was missing or you can't find the subscription, check your purchase history for the charge and note which Apple ID was used. Next, contact Apple support and provide device model and transaction details. If the subscription is part of family sharing, remember only the family organizer can cancel it, so coordinate with them to complete the removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.